Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of disabling documents auto-download when using mobile data on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Tap on Storage and Data from the Settings options. Step 5. Under the Media Auto-Download section, tap on When Using Mobile Data. Step 6. Unmark the checkbox next to Documents. Step 7. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled Documents auto-download when using mobile data on WhatsApp. By following these steps, you can save your mobile data and prevent unnecessary document downloads. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.